The more clear you can paint that picture, the more likely people are gonna be behind your mission, man. What's our mission, Bea?
Which one?
We have micro missions, we have macro missions. See, that's the thing, is it changes too. Name a couple.
One of them in Utah is to change the way tattoo shops are seen in that area, just because it is a Mormon area. How tattooers are seen in the experience that people get inside of a tattoo shop. We really try to deliver a higher experience due to a lot of people getting negative experiences inside of a tattoo shop. So that's what we really push. The mission is tattoo experience, rather than just getting into a shop, getting pushed around, not having specialized artists, feeling uncomfortable, things like that.
Change the stigma, set a higher standard. But he knows it.